Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Module 1, Process of Auditing Information Systems. CISA stands for Certified Information Systems Auditor, a globally recognized certification for professionals who audit, control, monitor, and assess information technology in business systems. The process of auditing information systems involves several steps to ensure the security, integrity, and effectiveness of an organization's IT infrastructure and data management practices. Here's a general outline of the process. 1. Preparation and planning. This initial phase involves understanding the scope and objectives of the audit, determining the resources needed, and developing an audit plan. This plan outlines the audit approach, methodologies, timelines, and responsibilities of the audit team. 2. Risk assessment. Assessing risks involves identifying potential threats and vulnerabilities to the organization's information systems. This may include analyzing the likelihood and impact of various security incidents and breaches. 3. Data collection. Auditors gather relevant data and information about the organization's IT systems, including policies, procedures, controls, and technical configurations. This may involve reviewing documentation, conducting interviews with stakeholders, and performing technical assessments. 4. Evaluation of controls. Auditors assess the effectiveness of existing controls in place to mitigate identified risks. This includes examining security measures such as access controls, encryption, logging, monitoring, and incident response procedures. 5. Testing. Auditors conduct tests to validate the functionality and effectiveness of controls. This may involve performing technical tests, such as vulnerability scans and penetration tests, as well as reviewing samples of transactions and system activities. 6. Analysis and reporting. After collecting and evaluating data, auditors analyze their findings to identify strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement in the organization's information systems. A comprehensive audit report is then prepared, detailing the audit scope, objectives, methodologies, findings, and recommendations for remediation. 7. Follow-up and monitoring. Auditors may follow up with the organization to ensure that recommended actions are implemented and effective in addressing identified weaknesses. Continuous monitoring of the information systems helps to detect and mitigate new risks as they emerge.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.